Want a fitter, healthier you? You got this. No gym, no problem. Working out at home is easy and fun. It's your time, your pace, no pressure. Let's do this. Home workouts are super flexible. Busy day? Squeeze in a quick workout. Feeling energized? Go for a longer session. No need for fancy equipment, just use your body weight. Ready to start your fitness journey from the comfort of your own home? Let's jump into a beginner-friendly, full-body workout that requires absolutely zero equipment. We'll cover everything from warm-up to cool-down, with simple exercises that target all the major muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key. We'll also share some top tips for staying motivated so you can smash your fitness goals. Let's get started. Let's get those muscles working. This workout uses your own body weight. It's great for beginners and can be done anywhere. Jumping jacks, 20 reps. High knees, 30 seconds. Butt kicks, 30 seconds. Squats, 15 reps. Great for legs and bum. Push-ups, 10 reps. Work those chest and arm muscles. Lunges, 10 reps each leg. Feel the burn in your legs. Plank, 30 seconds, supercharges your core strength. Crunches, 20 reps. Target those abs. Listen to your body. Take breaks when you need them. Form is key, not speed. Get your blood flowing and muscles ready. It's like stretching before a run, prevents injuries. Arm circles, 1 minute. Forward and backward, loosens your shoulders. Leg swings, 1 minute. Side to side, gets your hips ready. High knees, 1 minute, elevates your heart rate. Helps your body recover after a workout. Stretching, 5 minutes. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Focus on your legs, arms, and back. Remember, warming up and cooling down are super important for preventing injuries and getting the most out of your workout. Don't skip them. Gap 3S. Congratulations on completing your beginner workout. Now let's talk about taking your fitness journey to the next level. Here are some advanced tips to keep you on track. Nutrition is key. Fuel your body with healthy foods. Think lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Hydration is important too. Drink water throughout the day. Rest and recovery are just as important as working out. Make sure to get enough sleep and take rest days. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Challenge yourself with advanced exercises. Try adding weights or increasing the intensity of your workouts. Push-ups, squats, and planks can all be modified to be more challenging. Stay consistent. Make a workout schedule and stick to it. Consistency is the secret to long-term success. Keep learning. There are always new exercises and techniques to try. Follow fitness experts, read articles, and watch videos to stay inspired and informed. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the process. Starting is awesome, but keep going. Here's how to stay motivated. Find a workout buddy. Exercise is more fun with a friend. Set realistic goals. Start small, celebrate your wins, track your progress. Seeing how far you've come is super motivating. Make it fun. Put on your favorite music and enjoy the movement. Working out at home is easy and rewarding. You've got this. Remember, every step counts. Let's get moving and feel amazing.